This is not one waterfall. There are more than 270. And one of them is so powerful. It's called the Devil's Throat. But that's not even the craziest part. This is Iguazu Falls. Iguazu stretches for nearly 3 kilometers across Argentina and Brazil. Water crashes down from dozens of cliffs at once, creating a constant, unstoppable force. In some moments, millions of liters fall every second. And the sound never stops. Only when you see people standing next to it, you understand how massive it really is. The mist rises into the air. The ground trembles slightly. And you don't just see the waterfall. You feel it. But Iguazu is not just water. It shapes everything around it. The constant flow creates a unique environment where life exists everywhere. Look closer, and you'll see butterflies moving through the humid air. Monkeys jumping between trees. Bright birds flying through the mist. And even animals resting peacefully near the water. All of it connected to the falls. But everything here depends on one thing. The water. Its power never fades. It keeps moving, shaping the landscape, creating this place, again and again. And like any powerful force of nature, this place has another side. Hidden in the jungle, there are predators. Silent. Watching. Part of the same world. Iguazu is not just something you visit. It's something you experience. The sound, the water, the life around it, all connected. This is nature at its most powerful.